Good morning in London. How I miss it so much. And good afternoon in Jakarta. Welcome back, guys. I'm Helena. I'm from batch 20, international A. My friends are all graduated, but come on. It's okay. We need a process. Okay. So this was when we arrived in London. We're all smashed. We need to get home. It was really cold. I didn't wear any long john. It was really bad. So what I learned from arriving is just wear your jacket. Okay. Next one is learn the art of financial technology, which is fintech. So it was really useful for me. It was actually one of the most amazing educational or amazing seminar that I've attended. We've learned how fintech can help us to track environmental crimes, which was really important in this age. But unfortunately, the lecturer couldn't come, so we video conference him. So that's him. Yeah. Next, it was freezing cold, but we had a good time. We took some pictures, me and Ing. We went to a pub and we actually get a hot chocolate, and everyone just hate us. It's just like, what? um, so this was us. I don't know why I put this snow thing. It's not that I'm ally, but I am. It's just that why? It's just it's just the orange that we got from the Four Season that we ate for. Yeah. Chinese duck, really nice. Nice food, nice environment, nice time. So this is my beautiful tipsy sitting. No one can ever replace you as my drink buddy who doesn't speak English, but everyone thought you are English or Irish, right? So like English, seeing doesn't really speak English that well, but then she had the confidence to like go up to people and just answer whatever. So for instance, like if any person came up to her like, "Ah, I just broke up with my boyfriend, I can't do this, blah blah blah," and she's be like, "Yeah, girl, I just went hopping," and they're like, "Wow, I love you," and she's like, "Yeah," and everyone just started to love her, and I'm like, she doesn't understand shit. But that's what happened. Girl, you cannot just come hopping. And this is one of our closest one as well. Her name is Johnson. She passed out in the station. Um,
Did anyone take photo when she passed out?
no, I was screaming.
Video. Video, yeah, okay.
So basically, he turned her on. That's what I was really captivated by what she said in Travelodge. She went to the reception and she's like, she told me, Kak, heater, no, she told you, heaternya nggak di jalan. Terus habis itu, and then she went to the reception. She's like, "Sir, my heater is not on."
No, no. Kamu gitu.
Apa?
Sir, my friend room heater.
No on. And then like yeah. Anyway, it was the point that heater no on. It's just like no on eta teh apa. Anyway, she's gorgeous and she is nice one. And I mean, yeah, the background is like tired of being tired. I mean, what are the odds, man? So you should take some Floradics, maybe. So yeah, sassy cheerleader but motherly and kind. Please love me. Okay, next. Design certification. So that was really good. I did some graffiti. I spray some things. And voila. But nice. It was a good experience. Nice. And this was a gorgeous experience. He was really good looking. Huh? He was really good looking, and I was in awe how amazing he can like teach. Amazing, he can teach us how to do design without feeling like I can't do this. Like it's been my weakness to do design and all that, but when he teach, I become a designer. No. I can't remove that. But can someone please just I don't know how to like Photoshop that, but just make sure that you keep your eye on that. So this is how I this is this is how I look at my grades. Anyway, this was the most interesting thing. Like you can be in the forensic environment and like see and see a crime scene in a very different perspective. And yeah, minus the CUK. So the weekend workshop is one of my favorite because we learn how to dance, how to read script, because reading script is not that easy. You don't only read them, but you feel how to be the person that you are entitled with. Food, fish and chips was my favorite, alongside with Five Guys, and yeah, except the Thai food. I hate the Thai food. I don't know why, but just no. And then we went to Doha. It was unexpected. Um, we met Tapir. We met Tanfir. Tanfir.
Is he the driver?
Yeah.
Wait.
Gorgeous car, gorgeous face. One not to love.
Yes,
You don't know Parliament?
Yeah, he was like, I was just so focused on his feature that he was just like, you don't know what parliament is, and I'm like, no. Explain. Yeah, Icha was she didn't want to be with me. She was really tired. She was smashed. But then like you don't want to sleep all day in Qatar. You don't want to miss out Tanfir. Right? So she came out with me, and look at us having a 3D action. And that's it. Yay! I learned a lot. As I said before, I think I've learned the most in ASEAN conference. It was the best actually seminar that I've attended. I personally learned fintech. I just knew fintech on the day I came, and it was a huge thing to grasp in. But then I kind of took all in and reviewed it in my brain, and it's really interesting. I want to learn it more, should I say. And the second one is musical. I've been interested in musical since I was 16, so I was just like into it. I learned how to connect with people who have different views with me. So I learned cooperation, which is really important in work life, I believe. And being fine even though you're not fine. Oh my god, that's deep. Oh no. And that's it.